Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I'm here with my patient from 2 years ago who gave me the opportunity to show off my scar. One of the things that I'm so proud about is what does a scar look like after the procedure? Well, here you go. One of these things that you will never be able to be seen. And as you can see, going around the entire scalp, it is a fine pencil tip type of scar. You're probably saying, I don't even see a scar there, and I totally agree. It's literally just a fine line taking it back, and then when you cover it with your hair, you never see it again. Transplants, if you're looking to have a hair transplant and you're worried about an FUT procedure, obviously with curly hair, 3A to 4C hair texture, I only recommend the FUT over the FUE. We do not damage the follicular bulb when doing the FUT procedure, whereas when you're trying to punch out the individual hair follicles through the FUE approach, you're damaging too many of the hair follicles, especially with the C-type hair structure. So if you have any questions regarding a hair transplant and you're worried about that fine pencil line scar, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.